Today for Maker Monday, we're going to make a lion head out of dandelions. So to make this craft, you will just need some dandelions, a small rock as round as it can be, a permanent marker, and some double-sided tape. So step one is to go and collect your dandelions. So I've collected a few here. Feel free to pause the video and go outside and collect a few in your own yard or community. Now you just need the dandelion heads, so don't worry too much about getting the long stems. You'll also need a small rock. The bigger the rock, the more dandelions you'll need. So I've got my rock here and I've got my dandelions. Step one is done. Now I'm going to grab my permanent marker and I'm going to draw my lion face. So rocks that are a little bit lighter in color might be a little better for this, just to see the marker, but we'll see how it goes on this darker rock here. So what does my lion need? I think it needs one eye, two eyes. What else does a lion need? I think it needs a nose, maybe some whiskers, maybe a mouth. And I think my lion is going to be smiling. So does it look like a lion yet? Not quite. Now we have to do the fun part of adding the dandelions. So now I'm going to grab my double-sided tape and I'm going to stick a few pieces around the outside of my rock. And that's what we're going to stick the dandelions to. So it's double-sided because it's going to stick one side down to the rock and the other side will stick to the dandelions. Might be a good idea to clean your rock off a little bit before you do this, just so the tape sticks a little bit better. You can see mine's moving around a little bit here. Okay, I think that's good for now. Now I'm just going to take my dandelions and start sticking them around on top of my tape. So if you need to, you can grab a dandelion, pick off the stem, just like that, and start sticking them on the tape. You may need to press down gently to make sure it sticks to the tape. My dandelions are covering my lion's eyes a little bit, just like a mane might. You could also make dandelion people if you'd like. I saw a fun one where you could make a beard out of dandelions, if you know someone who has a beard. Or you can make hair. There's lots of fun ideas. So that's all the tape I've put down. I can put a few more pieces and go all the way around if I want to. So I'm just gonna add this piece here. And again, if I need to, I'll pick off the stem and stick it down. Just gonna keep going like that. So I've almost got my lion head all filled up. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. And we hope you enjoy making a dandelion at home too. We'll see you next week for another Maker Monday craft.